In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and fully set up the Logi Options Plus app for your Logitech MX Master 3S on your Mac. First, open your browser. In the search bar, type Logitech Options Plus Download. Open the first page that appears. Now click on Download for Mac. Hit Save to start the download. Once it finishes, click the small folder icon next to the download. Double-click the file, then drag the Logi Options Plus installer into the Applications section on the left sidebar. Now open the app by double-clicking it. Tap Open. Enter your Mac password to give permission. Then press OK. Click on Install Options Plus. It will take a little time. Next, click Allow. Tap Open Accessibility. Check the box to turn it on and provide your fingerprint or password. Choose Modify Settings. Now click Open Input Monitoring. Check the box and again, provide your fingerprint or password. Tap Modify Settings. Then click Quit and reopen. When the app reopens, tap Continue. Click No Thanks. Now press Login. A browser window will open. Sign in with your account. If you don't have one, create it. Here, I'm using my Google account. You'll see a pop-up saying, Open Logi Options Plus. Click it. You'll return to the application. Press Login again. And that's it. Your full setup is complete. Now you can customize every feature of your MX Master 3S exactly the way you like. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, make sure to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX.